This video will cover more factoring examples with factoring by grouping examples. So next problem is number 11, and we set up our x so that we have a times c at the top and b at the bottom. So a is 1, c is 16, so 1 times 16 is 16, and we have 8 at the bottom. So numbers that multiply to 16 and add to 8 are going to be 4 and 4. So then we can uncombine 8x into 4x and 4x. Split it up. And the greatest common factor is x. Greatest common factor is 4 from the second set. And writing our final answer. So we're factoring out x plus 4, and what's left is x plus 4. You can write your answer like this, or you can condense it because it's the same binomial. Either one is acceptable to me. Some teachers do prefer that you condense it, so just look for that in the future, but I'm okay with either one. The next one, 3 times 8 is 24. Adding to negative 14, so that's going to be negative 12 and negative 2. So remember, I've been doing this for a long time. If it's not coming to you right away what numbers these are, that's okay. Just write the list of numbers like we talked about in the previous video. So 3x squared minus 12x minus 2x plus 8. Second term, draw a line, GCF. Minus 2. Okay, remember, these should match. They do. And that's my answer. Last one. A little different because we don't have a middle term. We don't have a bx term. So b is actually 0. A and c, multiply those together, 4 and negative 9, negative 36. So what multiplies to negative 36 and adds to 0? Well, it has to be the same number, just the positive and the negative. So it's going to be 6 and negative 6. So even though I don't have, a middle term, I'm still uncombining 0x. 0x turns into 6x and negative 6x. Split it up. First group, greatest common factor is actually 2x. So between 4 and 6, it's 2. X squared and x, it's x. So 2x plus 3. So remember, you're dividing by the GCF. And I think I skipped doing that a few times. If you're having trouble coming up with when you factoring out GCF, make sure you're writing this step right here. And then negative 6x and negative 9, greatest common factor is negative 3. Always bring down the sign. So if that was positive 6, we would bring down a positive, or we'd factor out a positive, but it's not. It's negative, so we're going to bring down a negative. So negative 3. And we have 2x plus 3. And so my answer is 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3.